I'm putting it medium.
Have some, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm not eating this all by myself.
And I got my okra in here. Talong. Okay. Ayan na guys. Luto na siya. Ayan na guys. So this is our mukbang na tayo. Ayan yung maliit na mushroom. Kinain na ni Caitlin. Sarap ba? Ayan, rice. Bagoong na isda. Hala yan. Ayan. There you go. And then, meron tayong salted egg. Bagoong sausawan. Yes. Let's eat. Let's eat. At saka, ito yung sausawan. Yes, yo. Siyempre yung paa natin naka ano, para masarap yung kain natin. Kikita kayo na. Sarap. Okay, Baba. Thank you. So good.
First step on how to make sushi. First step, a little salmon.
Chersel, ayan na oh. Nahalala mo.
Second step,
Pinag-uusapan pa lang natin. Sausaw sa bagoong.
second step, add a little rice. Add a little rice.
Sarap.
Third step, roll it up.
Ito masarap siya guys. Itong mushroom na to.
Third step, roll it up, and then voila, you get sushi.
Good job, Baba. Itlog na maalat.